Get ready. Start. Under the Punjab Civil Services Rules, a notice of 3 months is necessary to be given to the government employee whose premature retirement is to be ordered in terms of these rules. Full stop. It has also been provided therein that in case at least 3 months notice is not given or notice for a period less than 3 months is given, the employee concerned shall be entitled to claim a sum equivalent to the amount of his pay and allowances at the same rates at which he was drawing them immediately before the date of retirement for the period of 3 months, or as the case may be, for the period by which such notice falls short of 3 months. Full stop. Next para. The above provision inter alia enables the appropriate authority to order premature retirement forthwith, that is, without 3 months notice or with a notice less than 3 months in cases in which the exigency so demands. Full stop. Consequently, the affected employees become entitled to the amount of pay and allowances etc. for the period by which notice falls short of 3 months. Full stop. This entitlement, however, does not mean that if the payment is not made forthwith, it would result in legal complications. Full stop. It is of course desirable to make this payment as early as possible, but in cases where immediate payment is not possible, this should not be taken to be cause of obstruction in giving effect to premature retirement of the employee concerned, wherever called for in the opinion of the appropriate authority. Full stop. The appropriate authority which has been empowered to order of retirement in the extant rules has been defined under Rule 2 as the authority which has the power to make substantive appointments to the post or service from which the government employee is required or wants to retire, or any other authority to which it is subordinate. Full stop. It is thus clear that premature retirement shall have to be made where necessary by the authority which has the power to make substantive appointments, and not necessarily by the authority which made previously any substantive appointment or confirmation in the case of any employee who may be presently officiating and might be holding lien in some other post. Full stop. The authority which is superior authority to the one referred to above can also pass an order of premature retirement. Full stop. Next para. Kindly acknowledge receipt of this letter. Stop.